Hello everyone, we are here to present our project titled Emedra, a blockchain-based healthcare data management system. In today's world, medical data is often stored across multiple hospitals, labs, and clinics, making it hard for patients to access and control their own records. This can lead to loss of data, duplication, and even misuse. Emedra aims to solve these issues by providing a secure, decentralized platform where patients have complete ownership of their medical reports. Using blockchain technology, we ensure that every record is tamper-proof, traceable, and accessible only with patient consent. The working of Emedra begins when a patient's medical record, like test results, prescriptions, or scans, is uploaded to our system. Each record is encrypted and then stored on the blockchain, where it gets a unique digital hash. This makes the record immutable. No one can alter or delete it. Patients receive a digital identity key which allows them to grant or revoke access to specific doctors, hospitals, or insurance agents. The entire process is managed by smart contracts, which automatically verify user permissions and record every access or update, maintaining a complete audit trail. Our front-end interface is designed for simplicity and ease of use. Patients can log in securely, upload reports, view their health history, and manage access rights, all through a user-friendly dashboard. Doctors can instantly view authorized reports without needing physical files, reducing delays in treatment. In emergencies, authorized healthcare providers can gain instant, read-only access to critical medical data, saving valuable time. Emedra can also integrate with hospital management systems through APIs, making it scalable and compatible with existing healthcare infrastructure. Emedra offers several benefits. It eliminates data fraud, ensures data privacy, and empowers patients to truly own their medical information. Because blockchain is decentralized, there's no single point of failure. Data remains secure and accessible worldwide. By combining healthcare and blockchain, Emedra creates a transparent, trustworthy, and efficient healthcare ecosystem. In conclusion, our project demonstrates how emerging technologies can redefine medical data management, improving both patient trust and healthcare quality. Thank you.